Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on I-55 in Illinois, concurrent with I-70 East and US Highway 40 East. The entire US interstate system is named for President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who came up with the original concept for this system. However, in the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1973, a transcontinental route was specifically named for President Eisenhower, not just following one particular interstate, but 4 different interstates between San Francisco and Washington, D.C. This section of I-70 is part of the Dwight D. Eisenhower Highway. At exit 10, we see a junction with I-255, which returns to I-55 south of St. Louis. This isn't the terminus of I-255, however. It continues on to I-270. Curiously, the control city on the I-255 exit sign is Memphis. We're currently in the city of Collinsville, which is on the edge of Madison County and spills over into St. Clair County. Collinsville is the site of the Brooks Ketchup Bottled Water Tower. Collinsville has several tunnels and bridges on its back roads. Legend has it that there are 7 gates of hell located along these tunnels and bridges. The story goes that if someone drives through all 7 gates while passing through the 7th gate at midnight, the unknowing driver or hiker would travel to hell. We won't be doing that on 504 Road Trips. Collinsville is the horseradish capital of the world and has an annual horseradish festival. The city claims to produce 85% of the world's horseradish, and that primary users of the herb in Germany and China import it from Illinois for gourmet use. Collinsville had an estimated population of 24,395 as of 2019. We enter the village of Maryville with a population of 8,221 as of the 2020 census. Coal mining was historically the principal industry in Maryville. Maryville was incorporated on July 21, 1902. At exit 17, the concurrency with US 40 ends, leaving only I-70 tagging along for a few more miles. We're now in the city of Troy, platted in 1819 and incorporated in 1857. The late Senator Paul Simon, who unsuccessfully ran for the 1988 Democratic presidential nomination, famous for his bow tie and horn-rimmed glasses, was born and lived in Troy and was once the editor of the town's newspaper, the Troy Tribune. Troy had a population of 10,960 as of the 2020 census. At exit 18, you can see an example of a single-point urban interchange overhead, one of several that we've passed under along I-55. At exit 20A, I-70 exits and heads east to Indianapolis, Indiana. Our control cities become Chicago and Springfield. Then at exit 20B, we see the eastern terminus of I-270, which has a control city of Kansas City, but returns to I-55 at a junction south of St. Louis. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Edwardsville, home to the Southern Illinois University Edwardsville. The city is the county seat of Madison County and is named for Ninian Edwards, governor of Illinois from 1809 to 1818. A 2010 issue of Family Circle magazine named Edwardsville third of their top 10 best towns for families. Singer-songwriter Jackson Browne recorded 2 tracks for his 1977 album Runnin' on Empty in room 124 of the Edwardsville Holiday Inn. In 2019, Edwardsville had an estimated population of 25,233. We enter the village of Hamel, which had an estimated population of 810 as of 2019. From here on, I-55 closely follows or overlays historic U.S. Route 66. Exit 30 ahead provides access to the city of Alton to the west. Alton is the home of our friend Brian from the YouTube channel Rogue Exploration. We conclude today's video at mile marker 31. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.